All right, tonight we are going to make these amazing s'mores on the grill. So let's get started so that we can taste this goodness. All right, we sprayed our pan. We're ready to put everything in. I've already done the first layer. These are cinnamon graham crackers, okay, because I wanted to change it up just a bit. And these are golden grahams. These are one of my favorite cereals ever. But if you layer them in here and put them, so spray your pan really, really good, then you're going to take the Hershey's milk chocolate, just like when you make a s'more on a graham cracker, and you put chocolate, and then you put your marshmallow, and then another graham cracker. All we did was break it all up and layer it in here. So I am just crunching these cinnamon ones up because I think the cinnamon ones give it a little bit of a crunch and a goodness in here. And then these marshmallows are the giant marshmallows. We've cut them up. We have cut them in fourths, okay? And then all of the chocolate you're gonna drizzle in here. A little bit more marshmallow, okay? And these are gonna be yummy because you know why? We're doing them on the grill and we're not like having to wrap them individually. And you can put as much filling in here as you want. Then we're gonna cover it with foil. And when I come back, I'm gonna take that foil off and I'm gonna show you all the gooey goodness in here. Okay, we're ready to cover it and put it on the grill. Oop, we don't want that guy there. We'll have a big fat mess. All right, I'm gonna put it on the grill and we're just gonna let that sit there. So this you can put on when you've finished feeding everybody and you're having your party in the backyard doing your thing. Just throw those on there. Keep an eye on them so that you don't get too done on the bottom, and come back and check them. And when these are ready, we're gonna pull that foil off and show you what they look like. All right, we are ready to take our s'mores off the grill. It has been a fantastic night. We have done a lot of cooking tonight, and we are ending it with our s'mores that we cooked on the grill. So we didn't have to wrap these individually. We took away the roasting of the marshmallows, but look, they still have that ooey goodness. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so good. Okay, these are gonna get scooped out on plates as people come by. Look at this. This is delish. Look at that. Yum. Just pile it on there. Have some forks ready for everybody and just start eating. These are delicious. And all we did was use our golden grahams. Look at that. We used our golden grahams, cinnamon graham crackers, marshmallows cut up. You can use the little baby marshmallows, and that works perfectly fine. Sometimes I like the bigger ones, like when you're making your regular s'more, but use these and leave your graham crackers kind of somewhat big, not super big. And if you like them a little smoky, let them get a little bit of crispness on the bottom and you'll feel like you're out camping and you just made the best s'more ever. And then add that chocolate to it. Your graham crackers, when you do it like this, get a little bit of a softness to them, and the cinnamon ones make this taste so good. I hope you make these. Please subscribe to our channel and let us know what you think. Let us know how you like them. I hope you'll go and look at all of our recipes that we've put up and maybe try some of them for Cinco de Mayo. We have guacamole, we have bean dip, we have stacked enchiladas. We have so many recipes in there. Go try them. But most of all, try this dessert. Super good. And remember, every day may not be a good day, but there is good in every day. Find someone and share the good, and share a s'more with them because they're delish. Thanks for joining us today.